Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring how you can collaborate with artists on TikTok and turn those creative vibes into cash. Let's get started. TikTok has become a powerhouse for creators and artists, offering a unique space to blend talents and reach millions. Whether you're a musician, a visual artist, or a digital creator, working together can amplify your reach and open up new revenue streams. Here's how you can make it happen. Step 1, finding the right artist. You want to collaborate with artists whose style complements yours. Use TikTok's Discover page, search by hashtags like hashtag artist of TikToks, or check out trends where artists are gaining traction. Follow them, engage with the content, and build a rapport before pitching your collaboration idea. Step 2, crafting a compelling collaboration proposal. Once you've engaged with potential collaborators and got a feel for their work, it's time to reach out. Send a DM that's friendly and personalized. Mention what you admire about their work and share your idea in a way that highlights the benefits for both of you. Also, to work with artists, you must follow some rules and meet some things to collaborate with the artist. And there you have it. Collaborating with artists on TikTok is not just fun but also a great strategy to expand your creative horizons and make money. Remember, the key is to stay true to your brand while being open to new creative possibilities. So go ahead, start reaching out to fellow creators and let the magic happen.